Hello, today I'm in Skoda Octavia. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. In order to enable cruise control, set the top part of this lever to on position. Now accelerate to desired speed and leave the acceleration pedal. Then you can increase the speed by pressing the top part of this button, or decrease it by pressing the bottom part of this button. To go back to firstly speed you've set, twist it to cancel. To disable cruise control, set it to off. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.